Good morning everyone, I am Vincent Jem Agbo and today I will be demonstrating the blocking. Blocking is the act of stopping, obstructing, or striking the attacking force.
Hey everyone, my name is Vincent S. Boaya and I will be demonstrating the disarming. Disarming this refers to the technique of wrestling away from the opponent.
Sir, tapos na po.